Prime Minister Modi urged people to participate in the lighting of diyas at 9 p.m. on 5th April. He shared a poem by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee titled "Aao Fir Se Diya Jalaएं."
भरी दोपहरी में अधियारा सूरज परछाई से हारा, अंतर सम का नेह निचोड़े बुझी हुई बाती सुलगाएं, आओ फिर से दिया जलाएं.
The Border Roads Organization is working on throwing passes open before schedule, even as severe restrictions on the movement and functioning of personnel in the military due to COVID-19 remains. The BRO is working on clearing several passes in the northern and northeastern parts of the country and aims to throw open the key Rohtang Pass by April the 7th. Indian Railways is planning phased resumption of its passenger services post-lockdown. The government, however, is yet to take a final call on the matter, but the reports are that there may be a staggered lifting of the lockdown in the country. The Railway Board, meanwhile, has asked its zonal railways to prepare a plan for phase-wise restoration of services after April the 14th. BJP President JP Nadda reportedly urged his party leaders to refrain from giving any communal colour or create any division or differences over the COVID-19 outbreak. This comes after at least 25% of the over 2,600 positive cases reported across the country can be traced back to a Tablighi Jamaat gathering in Nizamuddin in Delhi in mid-March. Since the Tablighi group was evacuated from the Markaz and the extent of the spread was determined, right-wing groups have used the incident to spread campaigns like Corona Jihad and Markaz Conspiracy. The number of COVID-19 cases across the country has doubled in the last 3 days. Over 25% of the positive cases so far are linked to the Tablighi Jamaat congregation in Delhi. Briefing the media on Friday, Love Agrawal, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, said 647 cases linked to the congregation had been reported from 14 states so far. 2 days after introducing a new domicile clause redefining residence and recruitment rules for Jammu and Kashmir, the centre on Friday amended its order to reserve all jobs in the Union Territory for only its domiciles. This came after delegations of Jammu and Kashmir leaders and even the BJP's party wing in the Union Territory raised objections. The earlier order of the Ministry of Home Affairs, while providing limited protections for level 4 jobs, had opened up all other government posts to anyone from the rest of the country. United States researchers have recommended that all Americans wear masks in public to protect against the new coronavirus, fearing the illness that has infected more than 1 million people worldwide may be spreading by normal breathing as well. The US set a new record for the number of COVID-19 deaths in one day, with 1,480 dead, the most of any country since the pandemic began. China on Saturday mourned all COVID-19 martyrs, including the whistleblower doctor who first alerted his medical peers about this novel disease but was silenced by the authorities. Air raid sirens wailed and flags were flown at half-mast and all forms of entertainment were suspended in the country. China has officially recorded 3,300 deaths due to the virus.